What do you think is that? I don't know who's that from.
I can't open the mail.
The other side.
What's this side?
Uh-huh.
Which side?
That side there.
This side?
Uh-huh. Yeah. What is that? You think so?
I don't know. It says Brio PE. It says Brio PE. I know what the PE.
What is that? Open it.
It's just a snack.
There you go. You get a snack.
Why does it say Brio Polar Express?
Where?
Right here, Brio PE.
It didn't say Polar Express. It just say PE. PE, physical education.
Why does it say?
There's a lot of things that stands with PE. Physical examination.
Why did they put in